two insurance giants go head-to-head, one big question: which company really has your back? On one side, the trusted Allstate, known for their iconic good hands. On the other, Farmers Insurance, bringing decades of experience to the table. Let's move past the commercials and promises and see how they truly stack up. We'll compare them category by category and award points as we go so you can see exactly who takes the lead. The winner may surprise you. Quick overview before we jump in: here's a mind map of what we're gonna compare today. We've got price and discounts, customer service, digital experience, coverage options, claims satisfaction, and market presence. Each one can make a huge difference in your experience, so stick around as we go through each category. Alright, first up, let's talk price and discounts. With Allstate, you actually get a pretty wide range of discounts, which is awesome, especially if you're into bundling things like home and auto. But yeah, in some states the premiums can be a bit higher than average. Now on Farmers' side, they've also got plenty of discount options, especially good if you're stacking policies. The catch: if you've had tickets or some dings on your record, it could get a little pricey. So overall, they both give you a lot of ways to save, but there are some regional quirks. Bottom line, this one's a tie. Moving on to customer service. Allstate has this strong local agent presence, which is, honestly, a big win if you want someone you can actually talk to. Plus, they tend to get pretty good marks on claims satisfaction. But their digital app experience gets mixed reviews, so keep that in mind if you do everything on your phone. Farmers does have personal agents too, so you're not left hanging, but I've gotta say their service quality seems to be pretty hit or miss, and their claims satisfaction scores just aren't as strong. So if you're looking for consistency here, Allstate takes this one. Now let's get a little nerdy and talk digital experience. Allstate's mobile app is actually rated well, and the online claims process is straightforward. Love that. But sure, some people do run into random website issues. Farmers also offers an app and online account management, but honestly it can be kinda buggy and it doesn't really have as many features as Allstate's. So if you love doing things on your phone or laptop, Allstate's just ahead here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Allstate actually started out selling only auto insurance by mail way back in 1931? Talk about old school direct-to-consumer. On to coverage options. Allstate covers your basics, and they've got things like rideshare and accident forgiveness, which is solid. But if you want something super specific like coverage for your classic car, hobby items, or even pet insurance, Farmers brings it with a bunch of specialty options. They're actually really popular if you want to customize or bundle those quirky items together. Just a heads up, though, some of those extra coverages are only available in certain states, so check the fine print. Still gotta say, Farmers totally wins this round for sheer variety. Alright, let's chat about claims satisfaction. Allstate scores above average on a lot of the J.D. Power studies, plus they're pretty quick with payouts, always nice to see. Sometimes there might be a delay if it's a super complex claim, but nothing wild. On the other hand, Farmers has a rep for that local touch, but people have reported slower claims processing more than once. So for speed and satisfaction, Allstate's usually the safer bet. Last but not least, market presence. Allstate is everywhere pretty much. Seriously, they've got agents around the country, which is huge if you tend to move a lot or want national support. Farmers, while still strong, is really more regional and especially big in rural or suburban spots. But yeah, they're not in every state, so that's something you definitely need to double check. So for sheer reach and that big network, Allstate wins. So looking at our radar chart, you'll see Allstate consistently shines when it comes to customer service, digital options, claims satisfaction, and just being everywhere. Farmers really stands out for people needing unique or specialty coverage. It's pretty visual, which makes it easier to spot strengths and weaknesses at a glance. Honestly, for most people who want reliability, a solid digital experience, and agents you can actually find anywhere, Allstate is probably your best bet. But if you're obsessed with customizing literally every part of your policy, or you want to cover something super niche, Farmers absolutely has the edge there. If you found this comparison useful, go ahead and subscribe for more unbiased breakdowns just like this.